How to fix Snapchat public profile. Hello everyone, in today's video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first guys, you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Here on your settings you have to open apps option. On apps option, scroll down and click or search here on for Snapchat. Open Snapchat, then scroll down and go to storage. Here go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data, and click OK, and then you have to back and click on first stop and click on OK. And now as you see this option, remove permission. If app is unused, you have to allow it and then go and restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.